This lip scrub RRP is £58. I'm sorry, who's paying £58? 60 quid basically for a lip scrub. Hello, hello. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name's Amelia. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you what is inside my second and the February Glossybox. So this is my second Glossybox, and with the first one, I did like it, but I'm not gonna lie, it's on the floor next to my bed and I've not used one thing out of it. But I am tonight, I am gonna use stuff. It's not because I don't want to use it or like I don't think it's good, I just forgot. I think I need to like take the stuff out of the box and like put it away properly with the rest of my stuff. So I'm just opening the box. Okay, so first things first, it does have all of those leaflet things there. Yeah. I feel like this is just bad for the environment. What's the point? No one uses these things. Who uses these? If you use them, tell me and I'll shut up, but I feel like no one even uses these. So, this is what the box looks like. This would probably just be way easier if I take it out of the black box. So this is what it looks like. And it says sing, dance, love, repeat. And then on the back it's like a vinyl disc. What is the theme of this month? So sing, dance, love, repeat. I don't know what that theme is. February is the month of love. Ah, so it's like Valentine's Day vibes. Then I'm not going to actually look at the products in here because I like it to be a surprise when I get them out. Okay, I'm not going to look. Item number 1. Steve Laurent Total Repair Lip Mask. Steve Laurent's Total Repair Lip Mask brings a burst of hydration to your lips whenever you need some extra love. Soothes lips while reducing the appearance of fine lines. Single use only. Ooh, that's what this looks like. That's actually quite nice because my lips are the driest thing in the world. If you think of like, have you ever had like a stale croissant and it's all flaky and like, but like dry, not like nice? That's what my lips are like. That's actually disgusting, so I don't know why I've said that, but my lips are dry, so this is really good. Let's have a look in the leaflet. So Steve Laurent full size Total Repair lip mask, RRP is £5. So I'm happy with that because I will actually use that, I think. Let's see, item number 2. Glow on Fifth Beauty Rose Gua Sha. Oh my gosh, it's a thing that was meant to be in last week's and wasn't. Rose Gua Sha. I don't know if that's how you say it. Rose Gua Sha? It must be Gua Sha. No, right, stop, just stop. Okay, facial massage beauty tool. Ooh. I'm really glad we've got this because this is the thing. I don't know if you watched my last video. This was meant to be in last month's and it wasn't. But this is what this looks like. Facial massage tool helps contour the face and neck, enhancing your features and resulting in a more youthful complexion. Helps flush out the lymphatic drainage, ooh, which increases blood flow and circulation. So I think you just like, it'd be nice to have 2. I think you just do that. That's really cool. I'm so glad we've got that. So that's full size obviously, and RRP is £10. So I will use that. This is so exciting, you know, this box. I feel like you should invest in it even if you're not really bothered because it makes you feel like it's like Christmas or your birthday, but every month. Ooh, okay. Bubble Tea Peach Bellini Restoring Hand Cream. I actually never use hand cream, but I really should because apparently if you use hand cream, it really stops your hands getting really wrinkly when you're older, but let me give this a little smell. This smell reminds me of like girls' bottomless brunch. Oh, those were the days, guys, before coronavirus. What I would do to go for a bottomless brunch today, oh my god, that would just make this Sunday like amazing and see all my friends. Anyway, let's stop being depressing. So this is, yeah, Peach Bellini Restoring Hand Cream. It's cruelty-free and suitable for vegans. Designed to keep hands feeling and smelling great all day. Okay, so it's just, yeah, a hand cream that smells nice. I'm gonna try and use this, and it looks really nice, so maybe that'll make me use it. I don't know, and it smells good. But that's full size, and RRP is $4.99, and it's by Bubble Tea Cosmetics. Ooh, can't get it out. Right. Avant. I don't know how you say this again. Pronunciation is not my strong point, if you can't already tell. Hyaluronic Argan Oil Peony Sweet Almond Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. I was like, where's the actual name of the thing? Like, what is it? Ooh, that's quite cool. So I guess you'd use this before you use the lip mask, I think. This is what this looks like. I would say with this, like, it seems to be missing a lot of product. Like, a third of the tub is empty. It doesn't really smell of much, to be quite honest. It might be because I've just been smelling that peach Bellini thing, but that's cute. A little lip scrub. I quite like the applicator as well, because it's like the lip glosses you used to get when you were little. You know, like the Glitter Babes. If anyone remembers Glitter Babes, it's got the same sort of applicator. So this is by Avant Velvet Perfecting Sugar Lip Scrub, and it's £58. No way. RRP £58. And apparently it's full size. This lip scrub, RRP is £58. I'm sorry, who's paying £58? 60 quid basically for a lip scrub. Who? I could make one for free in the kitchen. Get me some olive oil and some sugar and I'll sell it for bloody 50 quid. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, is this like a really like luxury brand or something? Because £58, I'm sorry, I can't get over it. How? How? It's not even full. It's not even full. So this lip scrub is £58. That's like 2 full food shops. That's me eating for 2 weeks. I just spend that on a lip scrub. This better be one good bloody lip scrub, I tell you. And not that I have anything against luxury products. But I do think that is a bit overpriced. I personally would never, ever, ever pay that for a lip scrub. But I guess the good thing about Glossybox is that you can then try like luxury items like this that you wouldn't pay for yourself normally. And you do get to still have some like really expensive stuff. So yeah, I'm over it now. I've calmed down. I'll try it out. And I do think it looks nice, but yeah, it's just a bit expensive. I'm really hyped up now. Like, I can't believe it. I'm like shocked. Anyway, so I think this is the final product. So this is Nude Stick Gel Colour Lip and Cheek Balm in the colour Siren. I think the brand's called Nude Stick. I'll do a little swatch. Ooh, that is really soft. If you're gonna get this, or if you have this, be really careful because it's literally like jelly and I've just broke half of it off onto my hand. I'm gonna do a bit more so you can see properly. The colour is really nice, but it's really, really shiny and like slimy. Like, I don't know, I feel like this could actually be nice though if you're just wearing moisturiser and you like dot a little bit of that on your cheeks or something, then that could be nice. I think putting it over any like creams like foundation would not be good. But that's by Nude Sticks. It's full sized apparently, and it's a gel colour lip and cheek balm and RRP £20. If someone told me they were going to take this away from me right now and I could never have it back, I'd say okay, fine. So I'm not really bothered about this, to be quite honest. Actually, do you know what? I take that back because I think it would look really nice on a really natural makeup look. So I'm going to try it and then I'll reconvene with myself and what I actually think about that product. Guys, I can't get over that lip balm. Actually can't believe it's that expensive. Do you think that's expensive? Let me know in the comments what you think about the £58 Sugar Babes Imposter Lip Scrub. So there was actually 5 full-size products in this month's Glossybox, the February Glossybox, and they were worth, I think altogether, I just added it up roughly, around £100. So I think that's really good, and I am going to use over half of the products that are in there. I really like the Valentine's vibe of like getting your lips ready for Valentine's Day. I think that's quite cute. So I am happy with this month's box. I'm not going to go over the lip scrub situation again, and I'm not going to mention that I think it's very overpriced because I've said it a lot of times. But yeah, happy Sunday everyone. I'm not really going to do much today, I don't think. I really need to sort out my cupboards. I just don't want to be putting stuff, like just throwing it in the cupboard, and now the cupboard's like this high with just a big jumbled mess. So I really need to sort that out today. I do have another video coming on Thursday, and it's a big misguided haul, so stay tuned for that one. I hope you have a lovely Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon.